Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Brother DCP-165C driver download and installation. This is very simple. So open any browser and Google search box to type like that, and this is after the result the first URL support.brother.com. So just click on it. So Linux OS also there. Okay, so Windows 11, Windows 10 32-bit and Windows 10 64-bit. So select your operating system, and 10 also same download and installation. Then click to OK. Now this is a printer driver and scanner local connections. So click on it, and after that click to agree to terms and download. So after that it will start downloading. Yeah, then click on folder. So right click and copy, minimize everything, come on desktop, right click, paste. Yeah, then again right click and then click open. After that click on decompress. Okay, and it will create the same folder on the desktop. Then click to start and then setting, then click device, Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, then add. So when you click add, after that it will show a manual option. Click on it, then last local. This is for this features for the local installations manually. Then next, by default port 1, next. Okay, now click have disk and click on browse. After that go to desktop and which folder created earlier, ing, and open it and select this inf file and then click open and then click to OK. Now your printer on and connect to your desktop laptop via printer cable and find out 165C. Okay, so this is DCP-165C printer. Then next. Now this is installing and this is installed. Then next, and successfully add the printer. Now you can see this is 16C printer. It's installed, and after that your printer and system connected system need to restart, and then please check it. Thank you.